the Zulai Kitchen Collapsible Silicone Popcorn Popper. Made from the best food grade silicone. Super easy to use. Simply stretch it out, place in the kernels. The measuring line is located inside, so you don't have to worry about overflow. Cover, then place in the microwave. Designed with a built-in heat-resistant handle for easy handling, the bowl is uniquely engineered to spread heat evenly, so not a single kernel is wasted. Its collapsible, space-saving design allows you to store it away or use it anywhere conveniently. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. No fuss or hassle, just kitchen happiness with every bowl of popcorn. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.